So at school yesterday, one of my friends, Jordyn, she came up to me and she was like, I have some really great news. I'm like, okay, what's your great news? And she was like, I got accepted into a college. It's not like a weird thing that she got into college or anything, because we know that she's really smart and capable. But like, it's an exciting thing. And I suck at reactions, so obviously I was happy for her, but I was just like, that's great, Jordyn. Then I was talking with my friend Caitlin, and then Caitlin half-jokingly said, well, we should make her a cake. So basically, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna bake the cake, even though I don't like baking cakes. Then tomorrow, Caitlin is going to come over and we're gonna decorate the cake for her together, bring it to her at school. So I'm actually baking 2 cakes, one for my family, because I know if they see me baking cake, they'll want cake. So I'm gonna go pick up some eggs so I can actually bake the cakes. Also, I finally got gibbets for my Crocs, and I love them. What are you doing? I got the eggs, but I also saw some Rice Krispie treats. And you just know that it's fall time when pumpkin spice is coming out, but what are you children doing? Do a treat. What's that? Hey! This actually looks like a bag of cocaine. Is it cake or is it cocaine? You never know. Maybe it's Maybelline. Also, update, the Starbucks drink wasn't very good. So I did pick up a few little gifty things for Jordyn. I didn't want to be too extra. Baking her a cake is kind of extra, but you know, like, I didn't want to be excessively extra, so I just got some really simple stuff. I picked out this little card for her. I got her some pencils. Like, she had to loan her sister a pencil or something, and she was salty about it, so like, I got her very own pencils. I also got her a tea because Jordyn loves tea. Spilling all the tea about everybody. I don't know specifically what kind of tea she likes, but I just got her this tea. So our cake barely fit in the pan. So we're trimming it.
We're real big guys.
Asked what kind of knives I have. What kind of knife are you looking for? We have these knives. We can use a big one like that. Ooh. We have a range of big knives to little tiny plastic knives. So you can just take your pick. This one. Oh.
We'll just fix it with frosting.
Yeah. If all else fails, just fix it with frosting.
Jordyn doesn't watch this video. Since this one has a lot of crumbs, I'm going to move it to this fresh sister over here.
Yeah, we love a fresh sister.
But I'm going to do it one layer at a time. I'm going to make this the bottom layer.
This is the bad one.
Yeah, we don't.
Oh no, oh no.
The bad sister.
We're the new cake channel now.
Yeah.
So everyone else can back off because we're here today. I'm not doing most of the work. She's doing the frosting.
Yeah, she made the cake.
I baked
I'm
the
mainly
cake.
the designer.
So there's a cake decorating technique that's not very well known, but it works really well. And Caitlin is demonstrating that cake technique right now. As you can see by her fingers, you just smooth it out with those. This is how cake decorating goes. This is just our crumb coat though, don't worry.
But we've already used 1 tub of frosting.
We did.
Almost.
We might need some more frosting too. I sincerely hope Jordyn doesn't watch this video because then she will not want her cake anymore.
I wash my hands, Jordyn.
you know, why buy them a cake when you can just bake them one from your heart? I mean, really.
And make it a heart.
Yeah, it's just so much better. But this layer looks a lot smoother on the top. And this is just the crumb coat. Yolanda from How to Cake It would never.
It looks like we broke her heart and now we're trying to put it back together.
We're gonna break her heart when she sees this. We're gonna.
Like, I wanted some cake with my frosting.
Okay, the crumb coat's done. We're gonna go to Walmart because Walmart has all the answers in life. We're potentially looking for a cake pan, some sprinkles, some candy to put on top of the cake to make it look better. Because our cake is kind of a disaster right now. As long as the top and like this side and like over here look good, I don't really care about these
That doesn't
sides.
look that bad.
Like from here it looked really good.
Especially after we clean it up.
So Jordyn will probably just see like the top of the cake and this part of the cake and be like, oh my god. We did red, yellow, and blue M&Ms, but we ran out of yellow.
So we have
So we did orange. Hey guys, so Caitlin is on the way over to my house right now because we want to get to school at the same time so we can go in together because our surprises for Jordyn go together. I have this bag with all of her stuff in it and there's this little balloon also. And Caitlin has the cake, so watch Jordyn not even be there today. I would literally cry. Hey! What kind of profanity was that?
Where's Wade? I have something for him.
When Bay surprises you.
Oh, we got the cake, we got the flowers, we're going in. If Jordyn's not there, I'm gonna cry.
Me too. I'm gonna be mad.
And I'm gonna give it to someone else instead.
In the world. It's gonna be so probably embarrassed.
She's gonna be embarrassed, yeah. Storm. Jordyn! What do you mean? What are you gonna do with the cake?
What a random surprise, but so cute! We're gonna put it. Random spontaneous.
I don't understand.
She got a bottom of the cake.
It's like collapsing.
Oh my
How do you not have a locker? I do, but I don't know where
There's flowers, there's a nice gift, there's a balloon. There's a balloon. So Jordyn's surprise went well. She liked it. We had a ton of people staring at us in the hallway because we had cake. Jordyn was just a little concerned about taking all this stuff home because we were really extra. There was a cake, a present bag, and flowers. But we got it. I helped her carry it out to her car and everything. So that's all for this video. If you liked, feel free to give it a thumbs up. As always, feel free to comment or subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Also, you can see the creepy picture of Caitlin on my wall behind me.